Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it look like you're surfing on Dress to Impress. So to do that, you're going to put on this outfit. You do need this feather outfit. Make it matte and remove scales and sleeves. I'm going to color the first one blue and the second one a lighter blue here. Then for the fit, I'm going to be using this. You can layer on some more. And for the pattern, it is up to you what you want to wear, of course. I'm just going to use this orange pattern. Maybe layer it with some more skirts if you'd like to. Yeah, do that. Then for the fit, I will be using one from VIP, but you don't need it. You can just layer on some more outfits. But it's just easier right now to use this. Color the second one the same as that dress. Then we're going to use this for the legs. Select type 3 here and color it the same as your skin tone. For the pose, you're then just going to select icy, and that's it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!